Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create business partner in SAP from copy function. Okay, copy means from the existing BP you are going to copy and create it. So this method is faster, and in SAP terms we call this as create with reference as well. To do this, you have to go to the BP transaction code and here give a code for the business partner. You can give a code if you are using external numbering only. If it is internal, system generate automatic number. Now I give a code, right? Test 01. Okay, and here I need to give the business partner role that I'm going to create this. Normally for customer, let's say we have to give these two rows, FLCU 00 F5 customer and FLCU 01 customer, sales related data and the finance related data. So you have to first select the role you want to create this customer, right? And press the create button and fill this general data, um, test. Okay, and you can give search term test, and you can give address ABC, postal code and city and country and so on, and language, right? Now once you select this specific role, any role, you can see this create with reference indicator is there. Now I'm going to click this one, and here you need to select the business partner that you need to copy from. So I'm going to use one of the business partner available, and I press enter. Now because I am in the customer finance data, right, finance customer data, you can see this line appear. So select that one and press this one. Now if you go to the company code data, it's filled automatically. You don't need to fill one by one, right? Okay, so after this I need to fill customer data, sales related data. So I go there, select that role and press save, and again I press select create with reference and give the existing code, and I press enter, and here you can see the sales organization data populated. I select this one and I press this, right? Now if you go to sales and organization, you can see this data filled automatically, right? See, it's filled. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.